welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, really simple couscous salad. Lovely spiced couscous, which I'm going to show you how to do with some beautiful vegetables. Really simple, absolutely delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's get started here. So I've got my couscous or bulgur or whatever you're using, cracked wheat. You can see I've got this type. There are several different types. And I've got, like, 2 cups maybe in there. And we're just going to spice it up. So what we've got here is 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 of cumin, 1 of coriander, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of green cardamom powder. And we're going to add a little touch of salt. So all you've got to do is pop these all in. And you can be playing around with these spices. You can add some different ones as well if you wanted, maybe some chili or something like that. In they go. A little bit of salt. And then what we're going to do here, just give that a mix, very roughly. Then we're going to get some boiling water, and we're going to pour the boiling water over it so it just covers it. And then we're going to leave it, and it will soak, do its thing, and be ready to use. So let me go and get some water for this. Okay, so I've got some boiling water there. I'm going to pour that on. I say just enough to sort of cover it. Just slightly cover it. Give it a little mix now. We're going to stick a lid on this, or a plate. Just cover it. Leave that for 5 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, let's take a look what we've got here. And there you go. That's absorbed all of that water. The spices have kind of floated to the top. So what we're going to do is we're just going to turn it over a bit and just sort of fluff it up. Don't mix it too much. But you've got a really nice spiced couscous ready to go. Now we're going to be making a salad with this, so we obviously need to let this cool down. So I'll let it cool down for a bit, and in that time I'm going to prep up some veg and some other bits that we're going to add to that. But you could eat that just like that if you wanted. It's wonderful. Okay, so that's ready and cooled down. Now we're just going to add some veggies or whatever. Now what I'm going to be doing today is equal parts, as you can see, roughly equal parts of cucumber, tomato and onion, diced nice and small, little bit of chopped garlic, equal amounts of olive oil and lemon juice and parsley. I'm just going to throw that in, give it a mix, it's done. Now of course you could be adding anything you want. Think about putting some raw mushrooms in there, some raw carrots in there, cut nice and small, some olives. If you want, add some fresh chili, maybe some mint or something like that. So, any way you want really, but simply we're going to get these guys into our couscous, give it a mix, and it's done. Let's do it. Onions, cucumber, and as you can see, all cut really nice and small. Tomatoes. Olive oil, try and use a nice quality one, and lemon juice or lime juice. Like I say, equal parts there. Fresh herb, I'm going for flat leaf parsley. But anything will work really nicely in it. Chopped garlic, mine's really kind of quite chunky, I don't really mind that. I don't see any need to add any salt now because we added salt to the couscous when we made it. Simply, we're going to give it a mix. Okay, and we're done. Really simple. Like I say, add whatever you like in there. Make it interesting for you. I find that delicious, that really simple and really delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And we will see you soon. Couscous love.